Hello everyone, I'm Raman, your Ielts trainer from our Ielts channel. Hope so guys you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to discuss you some common Ielts speaking part 1 questions. Along with this, I will also give you some sample answer from which you can improve your speaking skills. Without wasting any time, let's start with the lecture. Guys, in your real exam, examiner will definitely ask you some your name, studies, about your hometown and about your area where you live. So these are some common questions which examiner will definitely ask from all the candidates. So you have to improve these questions. Let's focus on these questions and watch the full video. May I know your full name, please? My full name is Ramandeep Kaur. How may I address you? You may address me by my first name Raman. May I see your ID? Here is my passport. I use it for registration purposes. The next topic is studies. What work do you do? I do not do any kind of work. I am a student. What subjects are you studying? Recently, I completed my senior secondary in commerce stream. Now I am attending English speaking course to improve my communication skills. Next one is, why did you choose to study that or those subjects? I chose these subjects because I was interested in them. Do you like your subjects? Definitely, I like my academic subjects. I think they are very interesting. Okay. Are you looking forward to work? Of course, I am looking forward for a part-time job in order to meet my personal expenses. Do you prefer to study in the morning or in the afternoon? I prefer to study in the morning time because in the early time my mind is fresh to grasp new things. Well done. And the next topic is about your hometown. What is the name of your hometown? I am from a small village named Nirvana in district Jind in Haryana state. More about it, it is situated in the northern part of India. Is it a big city or a small place? It is a small town with a population of 5,000 only. Please describe your hometown a little. I live in a countryside area. It is very beautiful where all essential facilities are available like good educational system, transport facility and so on. How long have you been there? I have been living there since my birth. Do you like your hometown? Of course, I love my hometown as it is my birthplace. Would you say it is an interesting place? Absolutely. It is quite fascinating place to live because it is full of greenery. What is your favorite part of your hometown? I love all the things about my area, especially the park which is located in the southeast part of it. Is there anything you dislike about it? Frequent cuts of electricity always annoying me a lot. Do you think you will be continue living there for a long time? Yes, although I am planning to go abroad for my higher education, however, after completing it, I will definitely come back to my hometown and will continue study and live there till my death. And answers which are very common and always asked to all candidates during their real exam. I request you to please subscribe my channel in order to get latest update, as well as you can also see our playlist as in order to get more fascinating answers of some common IELTS topics. Thank you and have a good day.